Let's see what we got here. First off, we got Supra. One we saw in the last show. Awesome. We've got some clean looking Hondas here. Always wanted a CRX too. Look how clean this engine bay is. Super duper clean. Dang. Check that out, guys. It's awesome. Sorry guys, I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show because there's a lot of copyright music in the background. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear. Of course, E36. Swap. Nice, clean, Evo 10. Damn, gotta love it. This thing is freaking clean. Come on, you guys know you can't mess with the old FD RPF ones. It seems pretty stock too, which is how I would want it. Yes. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right, I think this is the same BRZ that we saw last time at the last show. Wide body kit is freaking clean. Let's take a closer look at the kit. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. The hood looks, oh, that's a big gap between the hood. But okay, anyways, besides that, you know, from this far away, it looks really, really clean. Let's take a look at the rear. That's what I wanted to see. Whole side view. Awesome. Awesome, I dig it. Another wide body BRZ. Look at that. SWAT BRZ. Nice and clean. Check that out, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Tyler 2JZ is here. Of course, you guys have seen his car. Look at these wide TEs. These are freaking clean. I dig it. This wide body Supra, I just absolutely love. Something about it. I don't know. Swap patch. Awesome. Wow, bone stock Integra GSR. I think it's bone stock, but that is awesome. Look at this, unmolested. You've got to be kidding me. No way. Just look how clean this interior is. Like if you were to buy this brand new, back in the late 90s, this is how it would look. No way.
Those seats are so nice.
Oh my God. That is just super clean. No way. Look at the trunk. Really brings me back. Come on, focus camera. There you go. Just look how clean these seats are. I don't think you can find seats these clean anymore. Stubby, of course, you know. Of course, Kai's AMG, always looking sweet, clean. Tam Supra, you guys have seen that on the channel before. Always looking clean. Love the wrap job on there. Let's take another look at it. There you go. I really do want this wing. Just don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna look right on my car. You know, I think you have to have, you know, kind of an aggressive setup to pull it off, but I don't know, what do you guys think? Really do. I don't know. I like it. I just don't know if it's a right wing for my car. GTR. You guys still like the GTR? I don't know. I just think, I don't know if I like them as much as I used to anymore. I don't know. Oh, I think this is the same Subaru we saw last time. Yep, I think it is. That color just pops. It's different in person than what you see on camera, that's for sure. Stubby, another Stubby. What do we got here? Look at this. Let's see what it has under the hood. Looks like basic bolt-ons. Can't really tell, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Evo 10 or the V8 chassis STI? All right, guys, what do you think? Should I get one? Oh, if I could find one. in good condition that is running clean title. Ah, man, I'd be very tempted to be honest with you. All right, let's take a closer look. So I was never really a fan of the Evo 10, but lately I've been liking them more and more for some reason. I don't know why. I've been seeing a lot of clean examples of Evo 10s. I really like this one. This is just nice, clean, very good execution as far as the kit, the wheels, the fitment. It's not overdone. Really, really do like it. You guys know I'm a fan of blue cars, especially this EK. This is freaking clean. Is this the factory electron blue color? I don't know, I can't tell. I'm not a Honda expert by any means, but really, really clean. I really, really do like it. First B18 swap. Oh yeah, you guys know how I feel about the E92. Gotta love it. Naturally aspirated V8. Not only that, it is a manual. Let's get it in focus here. Oh man, it's just so freaking clean. Love it. Look at how clean the engine bay is. E92. I think these are going to hold its value very, very well over time. All right, so in all seriousness, I know I've been talking a lot about getting different cars, but in all seriousness, I've been thinking about or contemplating, two different cars. One is a GTR, probably a 15-up model, or a brand new G80 or G82 M3 or M4 in all-wheel drive. So they're both around the same price, probably 90 to 100,000. I just think the market for cars right now is still a little bit too high, but when the market does come down, to more reasonable prices, hopefully it does. There's no guarantee that it will. I'm really thinking about, I've always wanted a GTR, but I don't know if it'll still be relevant today. Lots of aftermarket support. But, I also like a car that's, comfort, something that's more usable, like say a G80 M3. Even an M4 will do, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below.